If you guys haven't heard of Famue, well, you have now because we're here with a Famue. This is a mini e-reader, but also a HiFi music player. Yes, this has high fidelity, it plays FLAC. We don't know much about it outside of that, but it is very interesting to say the least because recently this has been making its rounds on social media, on Reddit, a whole bunch of places, and we're finally here to unbox it and see what it is all about. Why this is really interesting to me is because we don't see many eink devices handle HiFi music, except for the Hisense Touch, which was a little bit squashed by the Hisense Touch Lite, which no longer has that feature. This is one of those devices that does. It's supposed to be an e-book reader, audiobook reader, but it also has all this other abilities to do things. Holy magoli, that's small! Alright, look at that. Gone. It's like a magic trick. That's amazing. Alright, well, what else is in the box here? We have a tray with a little cutout. We have a USB-C. We have a little cute screen protector. Look at this. This thing... Get out of there. This thing is adorable. Look at that tiny little screen protector. I love it. And we have the user manual. Again, this is Famue, a company we have never heard of, but nothing surprises us anymore, seeing that 2023 had 24 manufacturers make 67 devices total. And I could have guessed it, a reflective screen. Hence the probably the need for the screen protector, much like the Xiaomi Ink Palm and the 5 and the Plus. They're all reflective. A lot of manufacturers in China, they do this. I'm not sure why they do that right out of the gates. You do, oh my gosh, look, it comes with an SD card. That's kind of cool. That's probably where it gets its 32 gig storage, from the SD card, because it might not have anything on board. We don't know yet. And there's a 32 GB sticker on there as well. Nothing on the top. The side, only 3/4 of the way down, you get that. And everything seems to happen on this side. You get a power, volume up, volume down, I'm guessing. And look, guys, a 3.5mm headphone jack. I had assumed that this was HiFi, but you had to link it via Bluetooth or USB-C adapter, or even use USB-C powered headphones, which is a thing, and they do have, or even Wi-Fi. And you have a speaker. I don't know how good this speaker is going to be, but I can tell that this is a thicker of a boy here. This is a little bit chunky. So I'm kind of thinking that the reason they tooled it in such a way for it to be thick is to accommodate a bigger speaker. I'm not sure, and that's not conclusive, but it does seem... Oh, there we go. Power, volume up and volume down. Oh, look, it says everything on the back. That's kind of helpful. It's really hard to see because it's white on white, and it is very reflective. You have USB, microphone. Oh, there's a little microphone there. Well, there you go. That answers the question. And is this a film that comes off? It isn't. It's just a glass backing. The thing is, glass on the front, glass on the side, and aluminum all around, and it's half the cost of a Hisense Touch. This is really interesting. This is one of the smallest screens we've seen, and for scale, here's a battery off camera here. Look at that. It's as wide as a battery is tall. It's a 9 volt. It's a bigger battery, but that's not the point. This thing is small, guys. We're doing a first time boot up. We're not doing a review. This is what an unboxing is, people. We unbox it. That started, oh my goodness. Okay, that for sure has been resealed because that started too fast. There's no way it starts that fast. We're going to see if there's English on this because that's going to be a little bit make or break for a lot of people. And it does look like there is. There's language right there, and there's English. Oh my goodness. Okay. That speaks volumes. And I hope the unit speaks volumes with its high fidelity Hi-Fi. It's a pretty bad joke, but you'll forgive me because we have the key. We have this, and we're showing you guys this, and we're the only company who speaks English who will show these kind of things to you guys. We are very excited to check out ebook, and we are very excited to check out music, along with potentially audiobooks. This is everything that comes in the box with the Famue. Doesn't sport any sort of secondary name or model number, but this is the Famue.